Yeah.
Pepper is back.
It's
That's
spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy?
Mm-hmm.
It's spicy.
Do you want a piece of pizza?
Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Make you have a little
Okay, let's see you
appetite?
eat it. You eat it. Yaya doesn't want it.
Just one bite? Okay, well I was going to have
Yaya
one
wants
more
to see
piece.
Talia enjoy it. Look.
And
No.
No? Done? Ugh. Is it too spicy?
Yeah.
Drink some water, honey.
Yeah, have some water. Too spicy?
actually eating something bready is the best thing to do because it soaks up the oils from your mouth.
That's spicy.
Oh, you got your
That was for him.
Oops!
Talia, if you eat a piece of your pizza, it might make your mouth feel a little bit better.
There we go.
Yeah, eat your pizza, honey, and I'll get something to wipe your hands.
Ew, I got some on my phone. You like the spicy, Talia? It's like, I don't know if I'd say like, but I'm into the experience.
That's spicy.
How about you, Silas? You want